I'm a big fan of animals. I love animals. I've grown up with animals my entire life. A big part of my life I was growing up on the countryside where we had all sorts of animals, from dog, cats, we had a bull, a couple of pigs, sheep, rabbits, turkeys, horses. It was a fucking zoo for a while. And I just love animals. And as it is right now, I have myself 2 cats. One of them sleeping right there, and the other one is doing some crime, I assume. And also, I do love to laugh, because, you know, otherwise I'm just very sad. So being able to laugh, you know, pretty fun. And we're gonna have a fun time here, because we're gonna watch some funny animals with dog and cats, and do a little bit of a try not to laugh challenge. You gonna challenge me? Who will laugh the most, you or me? And yeah, we're gonna see how this is gonna go. Generally, I never manage very well, but if I laugh 10 times, I'm out. And see if you can last longer than I do. So, let's give this a go. Do you know what you call a smelly cat? You call them putrid. You know, well, they're smelling putrid, but well, whatever. You know what? Let's try not to laugh. You know, I will probably laugh, but we're gonna see how far I get and see if you can beat me. You probably can, because I'm pretty bad at this. That's a good cat. Aww.
That's it?
That's adorable. Now that's a classic. God damn it. Oh. I mean, yeah, the Dark Lord is truly scary. Oh my god. I remember we had a dog back in the days when I was little that was just so adorable. And she never made a sound, you know? She was such a sweet dog and so quiet, you know? And the problem was, though, I remember I was playing Amnesia for the very first time. I was trying it out on my brother's computer because I was visiting them. And I had a headset on and started. It was just in the beginning of the game, so it was not even a monster or anything like that. And I was like shaking because that fucking game like got me. I was like, and then I felt something touching my leg and scared the living shit out of me. And it was the dog, Smulan. She didn't bark or anything like that. So when she wanted attention, she would like go and buff her nose or head against your leg. And like, now I want to go out now. Like, that what she did. And scared the living shit out of me. And it took many years before I actually finished Amnesia. And it was when I was streaming it, so. Hen. Oh no. God no. You better watch though, so the hens doesn't tie you up, I'm just saying. Aww. Pitbulls. Adorable. Such a good boy. So cute. Aww. Little kid. And oh my god, that dog. Oh wait, I need to show you an image on Smulan, because this dog really made me think on her. Even that big puppy eyes. Let's see, where did I have all the photos? I had lots of photos. Here we have it, here we have it. We're gonna show you. This was her. Do you see how cute she is? She's like a seal. She was a little bit chunky, especially when she got older, you know, because she wasn't as much active. And we call her a seal dog. And she was the most adorable thing ever. She was so sweet. God, I miss her. Ah, Smulan. I guess the English translation of her name would be like crumbles. You know, cookie crumbles. Oh, God.
How'd that get in there?
Oh, how is that? Candy dispenser on a dog. God. Oh no, that's amazing. Though it was good it got it out, because chocolate is actually poisonous for dogs and cats, I think, as well. So don't give dogs, or to be fair, best to not give any animals chocolate. You know, and be sure to know what you give them, because what is good for you might be bad for them. So think about that. Oh, that's a. Aww. Oh, it's cold outside, isn't it? That doesn't count as a laugh, I think, at least. I think it's more like a agreeing chuckle, I guess. Because Tifa, my chubby cat, well, both my cats actually are exactly the same, because they can go to the front door. They're inside cats, but especially on the summers, they want me to open the door so they can sit at the door and just look out. They don't run out or anything like that. Except if I'm sitting outside as well, then they can walk out to the, you know, the lawn and lay on the grass. But they don't run away or anything like that, or chasing birds or anything. They look at the birds. They think that is super fun. I don't think they know how to chase them, though. Shit, did I laugh? No, I did. Fuck. A smug dog. So fed up. Aww. Okay, that cat is starting getting pissed, dog. Yeah. Yeah. You can actually see very well. I mean, when you have animals for a long while, you learn to read and understand animals, you know. When cats kind of like slowly waggle the tail, it's not that like dogs that are playful. It's actually that they can be upset, or they are ready to strike, you know, like they're ready to attack. So if you have dogs and think dogs and cats do the same thing, they don't. I will say that right away. I will say that. And yeah. Oh, it reminds me, I don't think I have a photo of this dog. Maybe I actually have, but we had a dog, a German Shepherd, called Zelda. She was an... I'm checking here, I don't find the right one right now. I might show it sometime in the future. But Zelda was... She never had any puppies or anything like that. She was an amazing dog. And then we got kittens, because the mother had died, and some neighbor gave us those kittens, and she raised them as her own puppies. You know, that was the cutest thing ever. Though we will need to be careful, because you know, when they're cleaning them, a kitten is a very... Have you seen a German Shepherd puppy? How fucking big they are? They are huge. And then you have a kitten. Yeah, you know, you can probably guess that you need to make sure that she doesn't lick them to death or anything like that, because that can happen. So you need to be careful. I'm just saying. Adorable things. With the cat. Oh.
Ben ayrılmak istiyorum şıpadık. Aşkımız buraya kadarmış. Artık sevmeyeceğim lan seni. Köpek alacağım.
I want the tasty nose.
Köpek gibisin ama.
Ow.
Excuse me. What can I do for you? Could you please get out of the toilet?
I guess that was a little bit of dog shit there. I didn't laugh there now. I managed to hold. I'm just saying, I laugh at my own bad jokes. Aww. Jesus. Holy crap, the energy. Yeah. Oh, good doggy. That energy, my god. That's also a fun fact, if I remember right. Smaller dogs eat more than big dogs compared to the body size. Because smaller dogs burn much more energy. As you could see, I mean... And kind of interesting. That might be not true. I just remember reading somewhere, and, you know, reading something might not always be right thing, but I thought it was interesting. Yes. Oh god. The utter confused. Like, oh god. That's adorable. And there's a German Shepherd. Oh, we had Zelda. She was like long fur. She wasn't. She had longer fur than that, and this doggy, and such adorable. I still remember when my father went away over the day, and he said like, "Today I'm coming home with a surprise. It's big, soft, and fluffy." Like I was like, "Oh, is he gonna buy a sofa?" That was my initial thought, because I was like, getting a dog was never on my radar, so to speak. I was like 5-6 years or something like that ish, 8 maybe. I was very little, and I was like, okay. And then he comes on with this fluffy puppy. Oh my god, we were like, oh, that was, oh god. Yep, that happens when I do that with my cats as well. If I scratch them near the ear, because the legs like, ooh. That is so cute. The void is looking back. That is something that is so important as well. If you have cats or smaller dogs, that be careful when you sit down. Chun-Li is hopeless with that, because she's always, especially when my father is visiting and he sits in his special part of the sofa, she's always so quick to jump up behind him, that risk that he sits on her, and she do that all the fucking time, the dumbass. And the same thing is like hiding under like blankets. I remember one of my brothers almost sat on her because she was like sleeping under one of the blankets. Like, little shits, you like to live dangerous, don't you? Aww. That's so cute. Lovely little dog. Is it some sort of... Yeah. Indeed. Indeed. Oh god. Oh, that is okay. Yeah, and you're like, oh my god, that's good. My cats, well, at least Chun-Li is terrified of the vacuum cleaner. As soon as I'm opening the wardrobe where I have it, the vacuum cleaner, she's like, and when she sees I'm lifting it out, she's like, fucking gone. The other one is like more like, Tifa is like, don't really care until I'm getting close with it. Then she's like walking away a little bit. But yeah, it is kind of fun to see. What is that? Oh. Well. Oh! It was a toy. That's the sound of a gremlin. Oh, nay. Oh god, that's so fucking cute. No. Even if I feel bad because you know how they have been bred. That's, I mean, seriously, the breeding they do on dogs and all that is, well, cats for that matter too, is just insane. You know, it is sad. I mean, sure they are cute, but considering the health issues and stuff like that they tend to get because of that, is sad. You know, sad. Oh, what a royalty! I wish my cats were this easy to wash. Oh, that is someone that's just enjoying it. Aww.
Drop it, drop it, drop it.
Что вы выберете?
Big balls.
Колбаска, скумбрия, корм.
Take everything.
Яичко вяленое.
You deserve
Что вы
everything.
сегодня будете? Ой.
Such a smart cat. And honestly, I know, like, it's just nice to give them, like, being able to give them, you know, something different, you know, once in a while.
Wee. Wee. Wee.
So bouncy.
Obi, come here. Oh.
That's how war starts. That's so cute. He's so adorable. God, I can't. It's impossible. That's so fucking adorable. Oh. And these two look like they committed crime together. Bonnie and Clyde. Aww. That's so cute. That's so incredible good.
Yeah.
That's one way to do it, yeah? Catching the spiders. Apex predator right there. The magic box that brings you to the food. Do you wonder what's going on in their head? It's just there. And just space. It makes me think of that fucking meme with the dog on the airplane. What the fuck it went? Slowly. I want to lick on that pussy too. Yes, as we cats do. Okay. Bye-bye. It's now empty. My own throne I have achieved. Fuck off! Now this is mine. So mean, just think that once. Oh. That's so cute. God, that's so adorable. Oh, that was the last one. I don't know how many points did I get. How much did I lose? God, oh, it's adorable. It reminds me many years ago, Smulan, dagar show before, she got puppies, and I remember that when we were getting, I was in school when she was giving birth, and I got a message on my phone. It was one of these old fucking blocks of phone back then. And my father like, okay, she gave birth to 4 puppies. And I was like, and then moments later I got 6 puppies. Like, what? I think she gave birth to like 9 puppies in the end. That was a lot of puppies. And I remember vaguely because we made it so there was one room for the puppies to be in. And in front of the door we had like this plank, you know, the plywood, so it's separated so they couldn't run into the entire house and all that. And I remember every time you opened the door and got in from outside, you would see like all of these little puppies, their heads popping up above the plywood looking, and it was so cute. And we kept one of the puppies because the other ones we gave away because, you know, they were mixed breeds, and we didn't see any reason to. We just wanted them to have good homes, and we kept one that we called Morris. Morris, because Morra in Swedish is growling. Because she, as a puppy, she was the only one that was growling. She was making these little growling sounds. It was so cute. So God, oh, I miss dogs. But yeah, this was funny. God, I love this stuff. You know, I love watching cute and funny animals. You know, having a good time. And of course, links to the original video is in the description. And what is your score? Did you beat me? Or did you not? Who is the winner? Am I the winner? I am a winner, if not at least, so I guess we got that. So with that though, I will be back with more stuff on the channel. So thank you for watching. See you later. And have a continue super great day.